What's up everybody, it's just another day in the kitchen. Welcome back to another video. I know y'all saw the title, I know you see this box, and more importantly this bag. You know how we're cooking. But before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram and all social media at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. You never know what we're gonna cook up next. You never know what we're gonna give away for the free. So, as you guys can see, this came all the way from down south, KITH Miami. You know the vibes. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this box right here, and let's get cooking. All right guys, so as always, feel free to use these videos as a legit check. You know there's nothing fake ever in this kitchen. As you guys can see, this is the original box. Now somebody in the comments correct me if I'm wrong, if you're even able to. It might be Sacai, it might be Sacai, I'm not sure. It's 100% waffle though. As you can see, these are 9.5s. Nothing too crazy with the labeling. I kind of wanted there to be more of like a collab aspect to it, but that's okay. Let me go ahead and get a drum roll, please. And let's get it. And go. There they are, ladies and gentlemen. There they are. Wow. These look smacking right off the bat. Man, I don't even want to talk too much on this video. As you guys can see, super fire pair, super limited collab. I'm just gonna let these speak for themselves. Let's see what's cooking. Alright guys, and I wanted to go ahead and step outside so you guys can get an actual view outside, natural lighting. I think I'm going to start doing this on all my videos now, just so you guys have that difference between inside and outside. But as you can see, this colorway is really fire. I'm really happy with these. I wish I was able to cop my size like I said. Personally, the black and white are my favorite because, you know, that's the steez. You know me, always wearing black. But yeah guys, as always, let us know what you guys think in the comments. Let us know if you're able to cop. And thank you guys for cooking with us. So yeah guys, there you have these Nike Sacai's. Let me know what you guys think. This is the first time I've actually seen these in person. I think they're really cool. I mean, the double layering, the double swooshes, there's double tongues. Shit, there might even be double laces on this thing. You know we're gonna make double retail plus, so there's a lot to be happy about. But yeah guys, let us know what you guys think. Were you able to cop a pair? I'll go ahead and put a picture up right now. This is one of 3 colorways that actually dropped yesterday on the 12th, September 12th, 2019. If they were my size, I'd probably wear them, but you know, homeboy's got a size 13 or 14. If you have that size, holler at me. Otherwise, the drop itself was pretty difficult online. We will have more pairs and colors on the way soon, of course, but as always, let us know what you think of this video. Let us know how your week was. Were you able to cop any of the Supreme drops? I'll go ahead and throw that drop up as well. Pretty difficult, but as always, let us know what you guys think, and stay tuned. Might have another video this weekend. Thank you guys for cooking with us, and stay safe. Peace.